something. All people can't avoid being old. I would like to do two things when I'm 70 years old. Rest in peace and try making gold. The first thing I'm gonna do is try to make diamonds and gold. Because many people did not make gold because they can't. If I could make gold, I can be rich and do many things when I'm old. Second thing I'm going to do is rest in peace. This is because in 2082, ocean will rise, people will be slaves of robots or take over by aliens. Also, my whole body will ache by then. I would rather rest in peace. In conclusion, I would like to make gold or rest in peace when I am 70 years old. Thank you.